Welcome to Adssure's own in-house developed software, ATON. This is the client interface or front end, designed specifically as a tool for managing agents and is very simple to use. Stay with me to see how it works. Step 1. Go to the Addsure homepage and look for ATON login in the top right-hand corner. I have circled this in yellow. Clicking this tab will take you straight to ATON login as shown here in blue. Your email is your login and your password below should be inserted. Care, both are case sensitive. You immediately land on the claims page. This is the most commonly used page. Note the 3 tabs, that is, Claims, Buildings and Renewal List. We are now looking at the claims page and all claims for the managing agency are listed, both active and some recently closed claims. You can manipulate the box all to active so that only active claims show. The yellow arrow here points to the blue highlighted links. Click on any one of these and read the claim details live. So, still under Claims tab, you clicked through to a particular claim. This shows all salient information drawn live straight from our main system. You can track progress here, manage the claim, print this out, etc. Also, a principal or manager can track and make sure that the insurance person and/or the portfolio managers are responding. This is most popular and relieves the managing agent of having to keep a log of actions and claim file notes. It is automatic and accessible. Now let's click through to the Buildings tab. Here all buildings at your managing agency, where Addsure is appointed broker, will be listed. Click through to any one of these and the second screenshot with some building details. From here you can click on a claim action which will then open a form-fill claim form with the scheme and policy number automatically pre-populated. This small feature is also most popular. Lastly, click through to the Renewal List tab. This lists dates of policy renewals, dates of last valuation and diarized next valuation due. Blank spaces means that Addsure has never been provided with a valuation. This can also be sorted in ascending or descending date order, etc. Another popular tool and central place to track policies and valuations. Well, that wraps up this short explainer. Enjoy using ATON login, unique to Addsure. Until next time, goodbye for now.